Hey folks, so the other night we talked about touch paddles. This is a touch paddle. Never fear, I have it in practice mode, it's not transmitting. It's a touch paddle. What kind of touch paddle it is, I don't know. I just know if I touch it, so you have to look that up. This one is designed by Adam, K6ARK. If I keep that information in my head, it'll block other things. I'll forget to go to the bathroom one day, and then where will we be? So anyway, works a little like this. So if you want to be sure that you never forget your paddle, if you have a QMX, try this mod. And there it is with all my mistakes, but hey, that's how we learn. See you next time.